In an era where the boundaries between traditional banking models and fintech-driven innovation are blurring, the challenge for a leading traditional bank in the United Kingdom like HSBC is no longer just about stability, it is about strategic agility. Today, the bank stands at a defining digital crossroads shaped by rapid disruptive technologies and intensifying competition. As your internal strategic consulting team, in this video we will analyze the current situation and propose future development directions to help HSBC UK strengthen its leadership and sustain growth. And now, let's get started. So now, we answer the question, how is HSBC Bank positioned within the industry? Within the UK banking and financial technology landscape, HSBC UK is positioned as a technology-enabled universal bank, leveraging digital platforms to compete with both traditional banks and fintech players. In the UK financial system, HSBC UK operates as a full-service, universal bank while increasingly integrating financial technologies into its operations through digital channels. HSBC UK serves retail customers, SMEs, corporates, competing not only with incumbent banks, but also with fintech firms, offering digital payments and online financial services. From a fintech perspective, HSBC UK's key advantage lies in its integration within a global digital banking network. This allows HSBC to deliver cross-border digital payments, international trade finance platforms, and data-driven financial solutions at a scale that most fintech firms cannot achieve. Strategically, HSBC UK positions itself as a hybrid model, combining the stability of a traditional bank with the agility and innovation of fintech solutions. In the competitive landscape, HSBC UK differentiates itself from traditional banks such as Barclays and Lloyds Banking Group, while maintaining advantages over fintech firms through scale, regulatory trust, and global infrastructure. So, the next question is, what strategies has HSBC implemented? And where has it focused its investment resources in recent years to lead or catch up with emerging fintech trends in an increasingly competitive environment? As you can see in the picture, there are many fintech companies in the UK. Competition in the UK banking market is rising rapidly. At the same time, new technologies are transforming the entire financial system. In this environment, how does HSBC UK respond and remain competitive? In recent years, HSBC UK has focused strongly on digital transformation. The banking industry is changing quickly because of fintech and new technologies. First, HSBC has improved its mobile and online banking services. The goal is to make banking faster, easier, and more convenient for customers. The bank uses artificial intelligence and data analysis to understand customer needs and provide more personalized services. Second, HSBC has upgraded its technology system. The bank uses cloud computing to improve speed and reduce costs. It also invests in cybersecurity to protect customer data and prevent fraud. Third, HSBC works with fintech companies instead of only competing with them. By building partnerships and innovation programs, HSBC can develop new products faster and learn from technology startups. Overall, HSBC combines its strong traditional banking experience with new digital technology. This strategy helps the bank stay competitive in the UK financial market. First, the bank is strongly investing in mobile banking and digital customer experience, with more customers managing their finances through smartphones. HSBC has adopted a mobile-first approach, improving its banking app and integrating digital payments and financial tools to make banking faster and more convenient. Second, HSBC is investing heavily in AI and data analytics. These technologies help the bank analyze customer behavior, provide personalized financial services, and detect fraud more effectively. Finally, HSBC continues to strengthen its technology infrastructure, especially cloud computing and cybersecurity, to ensure that its digital services remain scalable, efficient, and secure. HSBC is a pioneering bank in the fintech field with its HSBC Net product, a global digital banking platform for businesses. HSBC Net helps customers manage finances, cash flow, and international payments on a single integrated interface. The product's highlight lies in its ability to provide a seamless experience across different markets, support multiple languages and currencies, and offer enterprise-level security compared to traditional competitors. HSBC Net offers a superior competitive advantage thanks to its global connectivity, fast transaction processing speed, and intelligent financial management system perfectly suited to the needs of multinational corporations. What makes HSBC Net different from other digital banking platforms is its strong global integration. Businesses can manage cash across multiple countries in real time. HSBC Net's key strengths come from HSBC's global banking infrastructure, high credibility, and strong security. Unlike fintech companies like Revolut or Monzo, HSBC Net operates within a fully regulated international system. Also, its integrated system creates high switching costs, helping retain long-term clients. However, HSBC Net also has some limitations. Its interface is less user-friendly, and innovation is slower due to legacy systems and strict regulations. First, HSBC uses AI for fraud detection, NLP for virtual assistants, and big data to drive smarter decisions and improve cash flow. Second, HSBC's hybrid cloud ensures scalable, resilient operations across 60+ global markets. Blockchain is often described as the future of finance. However, the key question is how HSBC actually applies this technology in practice. One major application is in trade finance. Traditionally, trade finance relies heavily on paper documents. By using blockchain, HSBC can digitalize trade documentation. Another important application is cross-border payments. Through blockchain-based platforms, HSBC can enhance transaction speed and reduce operational costs. Now, let's look at the benefits of HSBC's FinTech strategy. It improves transparency, reduces operational costs, and increases transaction speed. Next, in terms of evaluation, the strategy has several strengths. However, it faces challenges like high adoption costs and complex system integration. Compared to blockchain solutions offered by fintech firms, HSBC's blockchain applications are distinctive in their enterprise-grade scale, regulatory compliance, and integration with existing banking infrastructure. Unlike public cryptocurrencies or decentralized platforms, HSBC's blockchain solutions prioritize security, trust, and institutional usability, making them particularly suitable for corporate clients and international trade. From a critical perspective, the main strengths of HSBC's blockchain initiatives lie in operational efficiency, improving transparency, and regulatory credibility, which reduce risks and improve trust among multiple stakeholders. However, these solutions also face limitations, including high implementation costs, system complexity, and relatively slow adoption across the industry, which may restrict scalability in the short term. Operating in a highly regulated financial landscape, HSBC's fintech activities are shaped by a comprehensive and evolving regulatory framework in the United Kingdom. In the United Kingdom, fintech activities are primarily regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority (FCA), a global benchmark for financial supervision. Under the FCA's guidelines, banks like HSBC must ensure transparency, consumer protection, and responsible innovation. Open banking regulation. Another major regulatory driver is the Open Banking Regulation, which requires banks to securely share customer data with licensed third-party providers through APIs. On one hand, open banking enables HSBC to collaborate with fintech firms, expand digital products, and enhance customer experience through data-driven services. On the other hand, regulatory compliance increases operational complexity and cost, especially in areas like data protection, cybersecurity, and anti-money laundering (AML). HSBC has developed a strong compliance framework to meet FCA and open banking requirements while still pursuing digital innovation. The bank has established dedicated teams for regulatory technology, RegTech, and risk analytics to monitor and ensure ongoing compliance. Comprehensive systems for AML, KYC, Know Your Customer, and data protection are fully integrated into its digital platforms like HSBC Net and HSBC Mobile Banking. Based on our analysis, we propose a three-pillar roadmap, outlining the key directions HSBC should take to maintain its position and grow over the next 3 to 5 years. First, HSBC should deepen AI-driven personalization by leveraging big data and predictive analytics. The bank can anticipate customer needs in real time and deliver tailored financial solutions that strengthen loyalty and improve risk management. Second, HSBC should expand blockchain-based infrastructure to streamline cross-border transactions, enhance transparency, and support digital financial instruments. This will enable faster, more secure, and more efficient operations, particularly for institutional clients. Third, strengthening fintech partnerships and integrating ESG-driven technologies will accelerate innovation. broaden service capabilities and support sustainable finance growth while maintaining regulatory credibility. By combining its foundation of trust with advanced technologies and strategic collaboration, HSBC can reinforce its competitiveness and continue developing sustainably in an increasingly digital financial environment. HSBC UK is a tech-enabled universal bank, combining global scale, trust, and digital capability. Its strength isn't just speed like fintechs, but leveraging infrastructure, credibility, and technology for long-term advantage. Inclusion. Success depends on balancing stability with agility, using innovation and trust to lead in the digital financial era.